Okay, for this question, I'm going to actually use the total value equals to number times value concept. Okay, where do I see from the question that I need to apply this concept? Number one, I can see that there is a value there. Okay, I can see there's a value there. What is the value given? So you know that the total value given in this question is this much. This is total value. The value is in dollars. Okay, the value is in dollars, right? And then I know that I can actually find the number or the number represented by the units, which is actually from here. Okay, and then this portion here, which tells us the $66, this is also the value of the ticket for the adult. This is the total value. This is total value. This represents the units, okay, or the number. This is the number or the units. With this fraction 5 over 6 and this one, these two, these tell us the value of the tickets. So I have all this information here. So actually that's how I know this is actually the total value number time value concept. Okay. Before I can continue, I need to find out the units first. This one. Because from this question, from this fraction, I can tell that there is 1 over 3 more. What is more? The number of adult tickets sold was 1 over 3 more than the number of child tickets sold. So I cannot assume that 1 is adult, 3 is children. Cannot. Okay. Instead, what must I do is I rewrite the fraction. Okay. This is unit. This is unit. This is 1 over 3 more. This is the more. What is more? Adult is more. This is my child ticket. So which means if I know that's more, so adult will be more than child. So 3 unit plus 1 unit. That is 4 units. So my adult is actually 4 units. My child is confirmed 3 units. This is the number or the units. Or in short, the quantity. Okay, the number, the quantity. Okay, so I'm good with this. Now we are going to look at this fraction 5 over 6. 5 unit, 6 units, like that. Okay, so you know that I can actually find the value of the adult and the child ticket. All right, from where? From here. Okay, let's move from here. Okay, so the price of a child ticket is 5 over 6 of the adult. So this 6 unit is my adult. So adult is $66 from here. Correct? And this is 6 units. So can I find my child? I can find my child. So 6 units is $66. 1 unit is 66 divided by 6. Okay? And this is actually $11. So my child is 5 units. So 5 unit is $11 times 5 equals to $55. So this is my child ticket. All right. So I know that my adult is this much and my child is this much. So this, what is this? This is the value. So I have the value, I have the number and quantity, I have the total value. I am actually good to go with the total value, number time value concept table. Now I draw out my table. Okay, let's not make it too big. Then we cut it up into 3 columns. Write out the 3 columns like this. Okay. So this is number. This is value. This is total value. All right. Number in this case is the units representing the quantity of tickets. The value in this case is dollars. Okay. The cost of it. Okay. And then the total value will be back to units. Why? Later I show you. And later we are going to do number times value because there's a times there. All right. And then at the side, we are going to put adult. And then we put child. And then we draw a line across. And then we fill in the blanks. Now let's look at adult. Adult number. Adult number is 4 units. Put there 4 units. Okay. Then child number. The child is 3 units. Adult value. The value of adult tickets is $66. So put there 66. Then child value. The child value ticket is $55. Like this. Then what must I do? Times. I need to times it. Okay. So you can see number times value. So number, this is number times value. Number times value equals to equals to. Okay. So 4 units times 66 is equal to 264 units. Because there's a unit there. You don't ignore the units. Okay. Then 3 units times 55, I will get 165 units. Again, do not ignore the units. So, in this case, 264 units and 165 unit, I plus them together. If I plus them together or add them together, I will actually get my 22737 means how many units representing my 22,737. So 264 units plus 165 units give me 429 units. These represent 22,737. Now I can start to solve the question, right? So I know that 429 unit represent 22737. 1 unit is 22737 divided by 429. I get $53. Okay. Now the question was how much more money was collected from the adults than the children. I want a comparison of the amount of money. So where do I get that? You look at the total value, this one. Okay. So now what do? I need to take my 264. Okay. This one and this one, you need to minus 264 units minus 165 unit because more means this is a comparison. More. Comparison more means minus. That's why minus. Okay. Equals to 99 units. This is what I want to find. So 99 units is $53 times 99 equals to 5247. Answer. Okay.